Hello everyone, this is Shivan Chukla and my roll number is 20CS10057 and this is my first DIY assignment in which I have prepared a smart earthen pitcher in which as you can see from here, if you push this button so water will flow out from here, and I have created this design here as you can see, and I have written SS at its top which stands for my name Shivan Shukla. So now I will tell you how I have prepared it. So first of all, I have prepared its cross section. Let me fit into the page. So I have created these line segments, one, two, this one and this one, and and then I have created using this B-spline feature. I have created this curve part. After that, I have used this revolution feature to generate a solid, and after that I have provided it thickness of 4 mm as the earthen pitcher is hollow from inside. And then for this upper part, as you can see from here, I have created two circles, first one of 24 mm radius and second one of 29 mm radius, and then I have used this additive loft feature to generate this upper part. For the lower part, let me go there. So for this lower part, I have created a circle of at this position as you can see and radius of 42 mm, and then I have used the pad feature. Then I have used the pad feature for generating 5 mm of pad, and then I have used this string feature, and this I have used this font file from my laptop and size of 20 mm to generate this string. For this blue color portion, I have created first of all a cylinder of radius 10 mm and height 20 mm, and I have rotated it 90° about x-axis, and then I have created a tube of inner radius 1 mm and 5 mm outer radius, and then I have used this boolean cut feature to cut out the sphere or cut out the volume of tube from the volume of cylinder. So the inner portion itself like a button. Then I have written this push using the string feature, and then for this upper design what I have done is, let me move there. So first of all I have generated a cube, then I have made its length, I have set its length to be 5 mm so that it becomes a cuboid, and then for this curved part, as you can see from here, this curved part I have used the fillet feature, and then I have generated its array, a polar array, to generate 7 copies of it. So after that I have saved the file, and then I have exported to generate a STL file so that it can be used in Cura software for 3D printing. So let us move to the Cura software. So now we are in Cura software, with the help of which we can 3D print our earthen pitcher. So I have already imported our STL file in this. So now first of all I will scale it to 60%. I have selected this uniform scaling option, so it will scale in all directions uniformly. Then I will rotate it with -90°. So now I will use this leaflet option. So as you can see, it is leafleted. Now I will show you my print settings. So I have selected profile as 0.2 mm, infill density as 0%, and printing temperature 250°C, and the print speed is 60 mm per second. Also the build plate addition type is I have selected as brim. So now I will slice it. So as you can see, it will take almost 3 hours and 53 minutes to get 3D printed. Then I will save to the disk and I will generate G-code file which I can send to the 3D printer. Thank you.